Hi and welcome. I'm in our 2024 Thor Compass 24KB RV. It's a lovely RV which has twin beds in the back which can be converted to a king size, so it's great for couples. It also has this Jackknife Sofa in the front, but it's very small. Lengthwise, it's about 48 inches. So it's only good for small children as it's only 4 feet long. And when you open it up, this way, it's only 41 inches. So I want to extend it out so that an adult could sleep in it this way to be at least 5 feet or almost 6 feet, I guess. So the idea is to extend this out temporarily whenever we have somebody on occasion that will come with us to sleep. This sofa does have seat belts for 2 people. I know a lot of people took this out and put in recliners, which is good, but not good for sleeping. So at this point, I'm going to try to bring it out to almost 6 feet. So I'm going to add at least 27 inches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still would want a little bit of room to walk at this end. So I did take some measurements before. So as I said, I'm going to add 27 inches here. And in order for it to lie here, I need to add some more. Need to add at least 13 inches there. So altogether, 13 plus the 27, then a little bit more to hang over, another 2 inches. So I think I need 2 pieces around, well, total I need something to be around 44 inches by 48 wide. But because that's going to be quite a big board, I'm going to do it in 2 pieces, so there'll be 44 by 24 inches each. So I'll now start to cut those 2 pieces out of 1/2 inch Baltic birch plywood. So I've cut 2 pieces of Baltic birch plywood, 1/2 inch to actually 23.5 by 42. Then I added a lip on this side, so that'll go to stop it. And then I'll bring it in to measure and put a second one, and that'll hold it at that end so it doesn't move. This end I'll be putting legs. I also rounded all the edges here and the front, just so if you bang yourself it won't be a sharp edge. So I'll go put this inside and measure to where this piece will go and glue that one on next. So I glued the second piece on, that'll hold it on the sofa. And then for the other end, I bought the 16-inch legs, and they come with these brackets, so you can just screw them in. So the bracket, I'll have to drill a hole here to put it in, and then the legs will screw in. So that'll be next step I do. So I drilled the 1/2 inch hole for the leg brackets, so that'll just go in there. Have 3 screws to hold it. I'll put that in later after I do the finish on the board. I applied 3 coats of poly, so now it's time to attach the leg hardware. Note the supplied screws were a little bit long, so I did find some 5/8 screws, which I'll use instead so it doesn't go through the 1/2 inch plywood. So first do the pilot holes. And then apply the 3 screws. And I'll continue installing all the screws for the 4 brackets, and then we'll be ready to try it in the RV. Here are the 2 pieces installed with the Jackknife Sofa extended. Very solid, stay in there really nice. I have ordered some 24 by 27 foam cushions on Amazon. Should be here tomorrow. And for now, just some slip covers, and I'll show that when they come in. So here are the sofa cushions I bought on Amazon. They're 24 inches by 27 inches. Fit nicely. They're also 4 inches thick. I think 5 inches would have been better, possibly. We'll see how it works out. Here are the two cushions with some slip covers, which we purchased on Amazon. Overall, I think it looks okay. I do think it would be better with 5-inch foam cushions. I'll see if they're available or not. Overall, the bed is 48 inches wide, and the sofa and cushions together is around 69 inches, but there is more room at the other end at the head. Overall, I think this will work out. Again, for the most part, it's just myself and my wife who camp. But on occasion, if we do have somebody else, this will work out just fine. With it configured as a bed, there's plenty of room to walk from the bed to the back of the RV. I had originally hoped that I could use the same board just to use this as a lounger, as usually my wife goes to bed earlier and I sit out here watching TV or my iPad. But due to the mechanism of the Jackknife Sofa, the board doesn't sit properly. So I'm going to make a shorter one just for that purpose. Here it is with the shorter piece, which will be used as a lounger. And now with the cushion. And there's still plenty of room to walk through to the back room. As you can see, this is quite comfortable as a lounger, and I think it'll suit our purposes very well when it's just the two of us camping. And then on occasions where we might have 1 or 2 other people, we can make this up as a bed with the other 2 pieces. The bed is now usable as is. Just put some sheets on it and you're ready to go. But I think with a topper might be a little bit better. We do have an old topper that I cut to size. I'll put that on for now. Here it is with the topper onto the bed. Now we'll put the sheets. The bed is quite comfortable. I'm 5'10", as you can see, there's lots of room. Somebody up to 6 feet will have no problems. There's still plenty of room to walk over there. So I think this will do just fine on the rare occasions that we do have visitors with us. This concludes this video. Hopefully this might have inspired some people to do the same with their 24KB. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.